Hey guys, here is another lesson on tenses. Today we will talk about the future tense. The simple future refers to a time later than now. We use it when we are making plans or a decision to do something. The simple future is a verb tense that's used to talk about things that haven't happened yet. So we often use the words going to, will, or shall. Going to states the plans for the future. Will or shall expresses a sudden decision, or it states a desire or agreement to do something. When using shall is rarely used in modern English. If used, it is combined with I or we. It is will plus the root form of a verb. Example, I will read the novel in my leisure time. Another structure we can use is am or is or are plus going to plus the root form verb. Here's the example. I am going to read the novel. I am going to read the novel. Alright, we're going to take a look at the verb to come, the positive or affirmative, the negative, and the interrogative. In the previous videos, I explained what positive, affirmative, negative, and interrogative mean. Positive, I will come. Negative, I will not come. Interrogative, will I come? He will come. He will not come. Will he come? She will come. She will not come. Will she come? It will come. It will not come. Will it come? We will come. We will not come. We will come. Will we come? They will come. They will not come. Will they come? Alright, contractions. According to thoughtco.com, a contraction is a word or phrase that has been shortened by dropping one or more letters. We often use contractions when we're expressing our thoughts in the future tense. In another video, I will do a lesson on contractions. However, I'm going to go ahead and show you some examples today. I will, I'll. We will, we'll. You will, you'll. He will, he'll. She will, she'll. They will, they'll. Will not, won't. Examples. I will be 20 in January. Or I'll be 20 in January. He will help you tomorrow. Or he'll help you tomorrow. They will write a letter to their best friend. We are going to eat. Jenny and Ron are going to stay in London for the holiday. I hope that you're seeing how the future tense is being used. Alright, let's try these together. Complete each sentence by changing the verb in the bracket to the future tense. I'll craft a boat. So we're going to go ahead and see which word or words would fit in the blank space. Alright, so Al will craft a boat. It hasn't happened as yet. He will do it. I watch the movie later. I will watch the movie later. The bus stop in the town. Hasn't happened as yet. The bus will stop in the town. Danny cook dinner for his children tonight. Danny will cook dinner for his children tonight. I trust that you have learned a lot from this lesson, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching.